Hi, my name is Trevor Brown. I'm the clarinet teacher at Crosby Middle School, and I'll just be running through the 6th grade all-county audition. So first we have the concert B-flat scale, which most of you should be learning in class, but just in case, I'll go ahead and play it. Alright, next I'll be playing the excerpt. Notice that you start out in a mezzo forte, so give a nice full sound to start out, and by measure 3, we want you to play with a really nice fuller sound. Okay, and then you decrescendo back to mezzo forte at the end of bar 4. So at the end of measure 4, you should be the same dynamic as the very beginning. Okay, measure 5 starts out at forte, so you want that to be the same dynamic as measure 3. All right, and measure 7, you drop down to your lowest dynamic of mezzo piano, so make sure that that's the softest that the whole piece is. After I play it, I'll go over a few other things. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the style. You have accents on beat 3 in measure 2. Okay, now in order to make that seem more accented, you want to put space in front of that note. So listen to how I play measure 2. Okay, you can hear a little bit of silence before beat 3, and that's to have more of an effect on the accent on beat 3. Also, don't forget your crescendos and decrescendos. You have 2, and they're both in the first line, and that'll help you reach the dynamic level that I talked about earlier. Another articulation mark that you have is the Tenuto Mark. That's the straight line under the note head. Now, if you look, you see you have Tenuto marking on beat 4 of measure 1, or measure 5, sorry. That's the first measure of the second line. Okay, so you have accent on the first note, and then by beat 4 you're playing tenuto. Now, tenuto means full value. That's tricky because you have tenuto before a note that's accented. So you want to play the longest possible while still giving a little bit of space for the accent that happens on beat 1 of measure 2. So listen to how I play measures 5 and 6. Also, it's tricky because in the next measure, in measure 6, you have a tenuto marking before a breath mark. That means you have to take a really quick breath, enough to last you for the next 2 measures of the